Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. Well, guys, August is finally over. The S&P 500 finished with a small loss today while notching its first monthly slide since February. Aside from consolidation after this year's rally, traders cited concern that the Fed will keep interest rates higher for longer to prevent a flare-up in price pressures. Treasury 10-year yields extended their retreat after recently hitting levels last seen in 2007. In late trading, DELL surged after reporting better than expected sales of personal computers and data center hardware. Broadcom gave a disappointing forecast, signaling demand for electronic components remains sluggish. Lululemon lifted its outlook, citing advances in market share while underscoring how demand for the activewear brand is staying robust. The Fed's preferred measure of underlying inflation saw the smallest back-to-back increases since late 2020, encouraging consumer spending. Markets took the report in stride, with the numbers illustrating the divergence within the U.S. economy. Wall Street is now bracing for tomorrow's labor market data, which will provide further insights on the Fed's next steps. The report is forecast to show employers boosted their payrolls by nearly 170,000 in August, while the unemployment rate is expected to hold at a historic low of 3.5%. Given the continued strength in the labor market and the fact that the economy is still growing above trend, the Fed will view inflation as cooling, but not sufficiently cooling. And from our last video, SCTL up 44% for the week. We got news, more insider buying. This is extremely significant. CEO bought at 40 cents, director bought at 40 cents. All last week I had signaled Matthew Paul Aarons. He had bought $2.5 million worth at 40 cents. So that was the significance there, and that stock has just been on an absolute tear. So congrats to all who've been following and caught the 41% move in SCTL this week. FNGR up 17% for the week, consolidating here right around trendline resistance right here, so it's forming a wedge, looking here for a breakout or a breakdown, so I'll be watching this one closely. Carvana CVNA up 33% for the week. 36% of the float is short. We had CEO Ernest Garcia bought over $100 million worth of stock, and then we got this news today that the company to complete debt exchange with over 96% of note holders. The company says will provide the company with significant financial flexibility as it continues to execute its profitability and growth plan by reducing total debt by over $1.325 billion, extending maturities and lowering near-term cash interest expense by more than $455 million each year for the next 2 years. So again, everyone was betting on Carvana going bankrupt this year. That is not happening. The company has done a restructuring, and that's why we keep climbing up the charts. I've been covering this one all year since the stock was under $10. And you can go into InsiderFinancial.com, go into the magnifying glass, type in any symbol here, just like CVNA, and you can see all of our coverage is right there. And the title, the CVNA, is in the title of each video, so it's all right there for you to read. Next up, GSAT, up 33% for the week. Former Qualcomm CEO is taking over, so I expect this one to continue climbing. Globalstar gains for a second day as B. Riley sees win in new management. We couldn't agree more. So we agree. GSAT, this is a big win for the company and the shareholders. Look for higher prices going forward. TIGR up 44% for the week, breaking out here. Nice price action here. We closed the gap here. We're looking to challenge the next pivot high of $5.79. BIXT had a nice pop this week, running off the 12-cent pivot low from earlier this month, breaking out here from 20 cents. We got a new article from biotech analyst Chris Sandberg on InsiderFinancial.com. The next AXLA squeeze by Oxytran. So we got that from 20 cents to 30 cents. Let's see if the bulls can keep the momentum going here. Ran right into the 150-day moving average at 33.80. So need to close above there to get the momentum going, then go back and test the 53.51 pivot high last seen in May. So be watching this one for further upside. For tomorrow, I am watching EOSE. Company announced Project Amaze, American-made zinc energy. This is a $500 million planned expansion to build 8 gigawatt hours of clean energy storage production capacity. Project Amaze supports EOS's strategy to address increased long-duration energy storage demand driven by the Inflation Reduction Act implementation. The Department of Energy's Loan Programs Office has issued up to $398.6 million conditional commitment for a loan guarantee, which, if the loan is finalized, is expected to fund 80% of the project expansion in Pennsylvania. So big news. I'll be watching this one for trade setups, and 24% of the float is short in EOSE. NTNX, good earnings after the bell. Q4 earnings of 24 cents beat by 8 cents. Revenue of $494.21 million. That's up 28.2% year over year, beat by 18.35 million. Shares are up 10% in the after hours. This will be a major breakout. 52-week high, 33.73. So certainly be watching this one for a breakout tomorrow. Sentinel One, good earnings also, non-GAAP EPS of negative 8 cents, beats by 6 cents, revenue of $149.42 million, up 45.8% year over year, beat by 8.43 million. Annualized recurring revenue increased 47% to $612.2 million. Total customer account grew approximately 30% to over 11,000 customers. Customers with ARR of 100,000 or more grew 37% to 994. Dollar-based net revenue retention rate exceeded 115%. And this is key. Gross margins are ticking higher. Gross margin was 70% compared to 65%. Non-GAAP gross margin was 77% compared to 72%. Operating margins, so margins across the board better than expected. Cash equivalents, investments were $1.1 billion. Current market cap just $4.8 billion. So again, it's got 25% of the market cap in cash. Q3 outlook, revenue 156 million. Margin expected to remain high. 2023 revenue outlook, 605 million this year. So again, this company is firing on all cylinders. Stock up 8% in the after hours. Lastly, going to be watching DELL, up 8.6% after the close. Second quarter results were better than expected, and the company said it is already reaping the benefits of AI. AI key talking point in all these earnings calls, so they're out talking about that. Non-GAAP EPS of $1.74, which beat the average analyst estimate by 60 cents, and revenue of $22.93 billion, which beat by $2.09 billion. So this is a blowout. AI is already showing it's a long-term tailwind with continued demand growth across our portfolio, Chief Operating Officer Jeff Clark said. Infrastructure Solutions Group delivered sales of $8.5 billion, down 11% 13% year over year and up 11% sequentially. Storage revenue was $4.2 billion with continued demand growth in PowerStore and PowerFlex. Client Solutions Group showed sales of $12.9 billion, down 16% year over year and up 8% sequentially. Clark added, "We continue to focus on the most profitable segments of the market where we have a leading position. Demand for our proprietary software-defined storage solution has now grown 8 consecutive quarters. Our Client Solutions Group business was up 8% sequentially with strong attach rates. Shares are up more than 37% year to date." And what we do here at InsiderFinancial.com, guys, is put stocks on your radar that have the potential for outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there's always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and then riding that wave. And that's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And guys, you don't need to just trade pennies to make money. You can make a lot of money trading higher price names with just 100 share lots. You know, the stock moves $4 or $5, you make $400 or $500. It all adds up. You know, focus on hitting singles and doubles and not triples or home runs. And the key here is if you really want a lot of these on your radar, we can send our full reports to your email and your mobile. We cover low float, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.